So guys, here we are. It's now Saturday, and well, should have been the Saturday of Model Expo. We should be busy and everything else, but hey, life is what it is. So what I'm going to do is show you some more new items that we've just got in from Plus Model. Now this is, Plus Models are more known for their resin, things like that. They've now moved into kits. Now, if, you know the 50s and 60s aircraft, when they were first playing around with drones and things like that, this is a series they've done of the Ryan Firebees in the series. That's the three of them. This one comes with the trolley. This one's the short nose one, which is the earlier one, and then this is the later one with the sharp nose. Obviously you can see it came off a A26. So they're just in that 72nd scale. They're quite good. Now from KP Models, we've got the UC Crane or Bobcat, depending on which country it was used from. That's the T50. This is the UC 78. This is JRC US Navy, and that's the Crane from the RAF. This particular one actually has markings for one that's got kangaroo on it. It was flown here in New Guinea. So the liaison aircraft. So yeah, so it's got a bit of information there. Also from AZ Models, we have a series of Hawks. Now this is the Mohawk, the Curtiss Hawk 75, French Curtiss Hawk 75, and the P36G or Hawk A6. These are all 72nd scale. They've got quite a number of different schemes because quite a lot of air forces actually flew this aircraft. It's the forerunner to the P40, so essentially it's a P40 rear end with a radial engine. So there's quite a few choices of markings in there. Quite nice, quite a nice kit. Edward, we've got another reader box of their weekend series. This is the Albatross. In 48 scale again, Fokker D 190 D9 late version. From KP again, we've got all new tool LA5 VVS and LA5 electric Krakow. These are quite nice. There's quite a choice, again, choice of markings on. Quite nice kits. Now these are new from RS Models. This is the Manchu KI 79A, and this is the KI 79B. These are quite nice kits. The reviews I've read so far on them have shown them to fit very well, nicely done kits. I think there's about 2 or 3 choices in each marking. I think one of them is Army, one of them is Navy, so that's what they've got going for them. From Edward, this is a great little story. If you want to jump on Edward's website, they tell you all about it. This is a little aeroplane that was built by the Czechs. It's a little single seat, twin seat sort of light aircraft. So this was, I believe it's a kit that they're testing new, that Edward's testing a new range of how to moulding and everything else techniques. So it's a pretty little kit. It's not that big. So, and it's only got one colour scheme, but the plane still exists in real life. It's in one of their museums. So if you're looking for that little something unusual that probably nobody will ever know what you're talking about or what it is, you might want to have a go at one of them. So that's quite good. Another King Tiger, or another Panzer 6, Tiger 2. That's from, this is in the cooperation with TACOM, so they've done a few bits and pieces, extra sprues, things like that. And that's the radar unit that was done by Amusing, where they have the gun. This is just the radar unit by itself. So if you're looking just to do that. From Special Hobby, this is the next of their Italian aircraft. This is the RE2000, but this is the export version. So you've got the J20, and I believe it is Swedish, and Norway I think might have flown it. So what you got? Oh, and Hungary, sorry. Sweden and Hungary, so you've got a couple of choices of marking. Kit's quite interesting. From ICM, I meant to show you these the other day. This is the Wasp crew. So there's 3 girls that did all the things. That particular aircraft in the background will be available in a couple of months. So if you're looking to put some female pilots with it, pretty cool. And then finally, we've got from Edward the weekend edition of the Tempest 5. Again, 1 or 2 markings, no edge metal, no mask, so it's just a straightforward weekender type kit to do. So if you're looking for just one to add all those extra markings you might have around, then there you go, so you can do that one. Other than that, that's probably all we can show you this time around. The stores are both open at the moment. Don't forget, we're still doing the model virtual competition, so keep going with that. Other than that, have a great weekend, enjoy your modelling, and hopefully we'll have Model Expo next year. See you then. Bye.